Can you just like feed me what to say?
Hey guys, I've been getting so many requests.
Hey guys, I've been getting so many requests. This is my everyday makeup. If you want to maybe look like this, get this look, then stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that I start out with, I don't wear foundation every day. Or when I do wear foundation, I use the Chanel Vita Lumiere because it's really thin and doesn't really feel like foundation. So in place of that every day, I use the Glossier Stretch Concealer. And this is the one before they reformulated it. So it's in the color medium. So I don't know what color. It's like the one that they sell now. And I just apply it with a Morphe E8 brush. Just kind of under my eyes, on my eyelids, and if I have any pimples, which I have a lot of right now. After I go in with the Glossier, if I have like bigger pimples or to cover darker spots, I use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I just dot that on the parts that look extra ugly. And then I blend it either with my finger or the same brush. And then I usually don't powder my face, but I do use a lot of blush. And I use the Bobbi Brown Brightening Brick in the color pink. And then I just use like this like ancient SmashBox brush that I got in like a holiday kit when I was like 12, but still works. And I put a lot of this on just because, I don't know, my mom always wears a lot of blush, so I think I wear a lot of blush because of her. And then I put it all over my cheeks, and then I also put it on my nose because if I don't, my nose looks really ugly and really flat, so don't want that. And then I go in with highlights sometimes, not all of the time, only when if I wear like eyeliner or something, I don't know, just kind of depends on how I feel. And I use the Super Shock ColourPop cheek color in Smokin' Whistles, and then I use the Morphe M501 to apply it. Just do this on my cheekbones, and then I do it on my nose a little bit, and then on my other cheekbone, and then that's it. Next, I do my eyebrows. I use this little indie brand called Making You, and this is their Soft Smoke Brush on Brow. I think it's just like the brown color that they have. And then I use the Morphe M160 brush, and this isn't an eyebrow brush, I'm sorry, don't come for me, but I don't know. I don't like to spend a lot of time on my eyebrows because they're big and I just want them to look more even. I don't really care too much about the shape. So I just brush this on a little bit. I'm going to blend it in. And then I use the Making You eyebrow gel to kind of further blend it in. And then for my eyes, I do very simple. I do a Morphe white eyeliner in the color Coconut. I always do this in my waterline just because I feel like I have really small eyes, and so this just opens them up ever so slightly. Okay, and then next, some days I'll go in with like a black liquid liner. I don't do this every day, but some days I do. And this is just an Eyeko liquid eyeliner in the color black. It's just like the chubby stick one. And I don't do a wing, I just kind of go over my lash line so it looks a little bit fuller. One of the last steps that I do is just mascara. I'm not really picky about them. I just buy whatever's the cheapest usually because they dry out like really fucking fast. And this one that I have now is just, I don't know, it's this one. It's a bendy, weird one. And I put this on the top and bottom lashes. lastly, I'll just put something on my lips, like lip balm, chapstick, or I'll like blot on some lipstick. Just whatever I have with me. And today I have this ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. It's just like, it looks like it'd be really ugly on, but it goes on almost clear, but just with like a hint of sparkle. And this is in the color Double Agent. What do I say?
That's all I got.
That's all I got.
So that's pretty much the finished look. It's really easy. I don't like to spend a lot of time doing my makeup during the day, or like the beginning of the day, I guess. And yeah.
You smash the like.
Oh!
I forgot you have to smash that like button. You gotta subscribe. You gotta leave a comment. You gotta do all those things.
Notifications.
Turn on them damn notifications. Okay, bye.